Hey guys, welcome inside today's new video. Today I'm going to review some blocks again, because I've done this at least 3 times now, but I got some again. Let's just go. I'm definitely gonna have to do a lot of color correcting on this video, definitely, because the lighting looks horrible. But anyways, besides that, my dog is whining, so yeah. At least I finally found my box cutter, because I didn't know where I put it, so yeah. I'm gonna go put this away. Okay, now, ooh. Okay, here's the book. So right here is what you can build. Like you can build this, this, or this, or this, and this is really nice. So, or you can build an entire person. Like who would want to do that? Oh yeah, if you guys. Look, this is so cool. So this is like, I don't know how to explain this color. Get out. Ooh, this is like a grayish. But out of the camera, yeah. I thought it was green. But this though, that's like a greenish gray. I don't know if you can see that through the light, but you can see that. Yeah. I want to try and build a star, or at least try to. Hold on, I have to flip into these pages. Again. I thought my camera died for a second. Okay. Wonder how I'm gonna build that. I'm gonna probably build this and this. Really cool. Oh, I know how to. I can just use these. I can use these and... I think they have larger ones. Yep, they do. Yep, there is. And it almost fell over. Okay, now I'm gonna go build. Look, doesn't it look cool? Isn't that cool? I like it. I think that's probably one of the most easiest ones that I could do. Let's see what it looks like when you close it. And it fell over. Wonder what it looks like this. Oh, okay. It's a little tent. Look. It's a little tent. That's cool. Let me see if I can just pick it up. Whoa, that's so cool. If you can see that, it's really cool. It's not even breaking. Like, look. Yeah, I changed my mind on it not breaking. Yeah, I'm definitely, these are cool. Look, I don't know what I just made. I'm just gonna call this a fan. I'm gonna call it a fan. Even though I'm sure it's gonna break when you do this. Yeah, don't use it as a fan. Don't worry, you can't use it as a fan. But what you can use is it. I don't know what to call it. I'm gonna call it funny time. Ow. So yeah. And I can also close it like a map. And I also snapped it on me again, which is what we love. And trying to get this back in the box is gonna be a hustle. I'm gonna find some ways I'm trying to get this back in the box. Cause like, look. Yeah. And now it's stuck to each other. I'm just gonna go figure this out real quick. So BRB! Okay, so that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I also have a secret to show you. I'm recording this on my mom's GoPro. So if you made it this far, give it a like and comment down below the yellow heart emoji if you made this far. And also, I'm gonna make a poll if I should make this as my main camera, which is probably gonna be not, but yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I'm gonna make another video shortly. So yeah, bye.